How to create Facebook group. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you check on the connection, launch the Facebook application and make sure you have logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. You'll be able to see the different options in the menu. So here you can see the option of groups as well. So let's tap on groups, and under groups you can see the plus icon at the top right corner. Select on the plus icon, and here you can tap on create a group. So you can create a public or private groups based on what is more convenient for you. So let's name the group. I'm gonna name it the youth club, and to choose the privacy, let's make it public, and then done. Then tap on create group option. So as you do that, you'll be able to create a Facebook group. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.